What's going on, guys? It's Eric. It's a Sunday, and I'm just checking on a couple things at the shop, and see if I can do this. Hopefully this works. And yeah, so I was thinking I should do a video here. I was gonna do a YouTube short, but then I figured I'd actually just do a video. So I'm gonna go back this way and just, I know the last time I did a video we had this truck in the shop, but we've just been busy. So this is kind of our when we get to it project. But this is the old engine. I don't know what happened to it. There's lots of different possibilities, but anyways, it's like, it almost looks like there's paint on it. It's so anyways, yeah, that happened to that truck. One of the things that could have happened is so I had some help that said they were doing stuff and they weren't. So possibly just never got an oil change, even though they said they were doing stuff and they weren't. But I don't, maybe sabotage. I don't know what the deal is with that, but that's, this happened years ago. I think probably a year and a half ago. We just, whatever, I actually was waiting to find the right engine to put in here. I mean, you know, you can go and buy an engine from somebody that you don't know and from a junkyard, but I was able to find an engine from one of my mechanics buddies that took the engine out of a toter home. So, and he was just putting a cat in and taking the Detroit out. So I feel like that was a good fit for what we were looking for. Here's the engine compartment, or not engine compartment, but the cover. Again, you can see it just looks terrible. So this is kind of our just ongoing, when we have time deal. This is a customer's van here. Just getting a DOT, it needs some brakes, I guess. So I've been told. Got this truck in the shop. It was in Fargo at the location where we were doing a drop and hook, and he ripped some airlines off. Yeah, so it's just funny. Sometimes that happens. You're at the farthest destination possible, then you have an issue. But this truck has been a good truck for us. This truck actually tipped over, and the only thing that had happened to it was this fender got a little bit scratched up. Literally, breather's fine, mirror was fine. That little bit of dents there, and a little bit of scuffs. I mean, a little bit more than a scuff there, but I mean, it literally tipped over on its side. So this is, I guess, bent in. It used to be, it's like this way. It used to be over here, more outside. But what a solid truck for I mean, it tipped over a year ago, and we didn't do anything to it. We just tipped it back upright, and well, obviously we did stuff to it, but you know what I'm saying. So very little was done to it to get it back up and going. This truck has a C12 in it, so not a lot of power, but reliable. I figured I'd just show you guys around a little bit. I know I haven't been on, but it's just because I'm I struggle with, I like to be private. We're buying 1 or 2 pretty dang new trucks. Like uncomfortably new for me, with less than 100,000 miles on them. So we're just getting the parts here for the wet kits. But yeah, so we've actually been doing really good. Let's get some tires here. I got paperwork I got to put in the trucks, and I'm just checking one of them out. I got it running outside. And I'm going to get that done and then watch some more football. So, all right, we'll see you on the next one.